Welcome to Application Developer Series videos. I am Krishna, author trainer at vkinfotech.com, and my partner Mrs. Bharti is author trainer and developer at vkinfotech.com. Together we have created these videos for you. In this video we will see what is a virtual machine. A virtual machine is a software container is used as a server running its own operating system and applications, just like a physical computer. So you can compare a virtual machine to a physical computer. When we create an Azure virtual machine, we are creating the software container. So when we say we have created an Azure virtual machine, what we actually mean is that we are creating the software container. Many such virtual machines can be created in Azure. Each Azure virtual machine is isolated from its neighboring virtual machine and works independently. That is, it is neither dependent on the neighboring virtual machine nor it is affected by the neighboring. The next point to be discussed is difference between Azure virtual machines and a virtual machine. Observe that I have used two phrases here, Azure virtual machines and virtual machine. Azure virtual machines is an Azure service, whereas a virtual machine is an instance of Azure virtual machine. In other words, Azure virtual machines is the Azure service using which we create a virtual machine in Azure data center. So use an Azure virtual machines service using which we create a virtual machine in the Azure data centers, and on this virtual machine we can install operating system and applications. Virtual machine created in Azure data centers are managed by Azure. So what is the need for Azure virtual machines? Azure virtual machines are needed when we want to move an on-premise workload to Azure without changing any code and the application architecture. VMs are suited for maintaining application backups running on-premise. Some IT project scenarios require installation of the special software and operating systems. Azure virtual machines enable installation of such software at a very low cost. We can quickly and easily provision any kind of virtual machine for development and testing purposes using Azure virtual machines without purchasing any hardware and software. Need for Azure virtual machines for developers. Developers use Azure virtual machines to install Visual Studio for development purpose without using on-premises resources. Developers can install routinely used applications on an Azure virtual machine and easily access the application from anywhere. Summary: Azure virtual machines is the Azure service and virtual machine is an instance of it. Azure manages the infrastructure on which virtual machine is running, or many of such virtual machines are running. All Azure services run on virtual machines. Subscribe to vkinfotech and do not miss our next set of free videos. Call us and clarify all your doubts. If you are serious about learning Azure, then see our other videos covering Azure in more detail. For free 100+ question answers on Azure, email us at connectco.info@gmail.com. We will send you a free copy, absolutely free.